You are welcome once again, and this is a new video on this new YouTube channel. And I will encourage you, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, you need to subscribe right now, and you need to smash the bell button so that I can get notified for every videos which I post in this channel. So this new video, I'm going to be breaking down USD JPY so we can see exactly what the market is doing on this very pair. So this has been very interesting. The price has done something really interesting in this market, and we are going to follow up to see possible trade opportunities we can get from this market this week. So let's open up the MT4 and see what the market looks like. So this is USD JPY. I'm going to clean all these and then break it down from scratch. So we are going to look at the daily time frame. On the D1, this is what we have, and when you look at this closely, you will see this has been very clean. The daily time frame, we have what looks like a bullish trend. However, price is doing something really interesting. Price is doing something really interesting on the daily time frame. The first thing you would notice, price is reacting to this key level right here. So this is a key level from the daily time frame. And we can see that price is reacting to this level right here. So this is very important level to watch out for. So let's mark this up with our zone. Let's place a zone right here. This is a very important key level from the daily time frame. And when you also look at the 4-hour time frame, when you break it down to the H4, you would notice what price is doing on the H4. This is what we have on the H4 here, and I'm going to quickly run through the trend. So this definitely has been a bullish trend. When you look at this, we have our bullish moves all the way through. This has been a bullish trend. So price has created a new high. This is a new high right here. Price has created a new high, and based off this new high here, you can see this new high here is testing a daily level. Remember, the zone from the daily time frame represents a daily key level. So a daily key level is being tested. And also when you look at the other side of the chart, the left hand side, you would notice price is testing a previous key level. So this was a downtrend, this was a bearish trend, which became a bullish trend. So right now we have a very good bullish trend. A bearish trend turned around to become a bullish trend. So on the H4 here, we have something really interesting. Price has given us this move, and we simply need to watch out for what price is going to do at this very crucial level. This is a very crucial level right here. So we are simply looking out to see what is going to happen right here. So if all things lines up over there, if you have good entry confirmations, if you have good rejections, you should know that price is setting up to give us some corrections on this market, because this looks really good for some possible corrections at this very point. So we may have a short-term short in this market. We may have a possible short-term short in this market that is based on this high which has been created. So we simply need to wait for good confirmation to be printed. When we get a very good confirmation on this market, we may have a very good short-term short in this market. Let's also look at the 1-hour time frame. So when you look at the 1-hour time frame on the H1, this is what we have. You would notice how price has been moving also on this time frame. So there was a fake out right here. There was a fake out, a false short right here. A lot of traders had their stop loss hit over here. So price continued to the key level. So key level right now is being tested, which is a good place to watch out for a very good short. So this in this case looks very good for a short-term short. So we are simply looking forward to a possible short-term short right here. And this becomes our entry level. So in this place right here, we are looking for entry confirmation. So if you find entry confirmations anywhere inside of that zone, you should know we are looking to go short in this market. So everything about this market looks very good for short. And you may also break it down to the low time frame. You may have the M15, the M5. You may break it down and wait for entry confirmation on this time frame. However, keep in mind your TPs are on the high time frame. Your first TP in this case here this is a very good place to have your first TP. This zone right here is a very good place to have your TP. However, you need to watch out for this level right here. So anywhere around here, anywhere around these two levels, you should know you have your TP. So price could give us a retest to this level right here. This is a good level for a TP as well. So depends on what price does. And also keep in mind, this is a short-term short. This is a short-term short, which means you should not hold it for too long. So if price comes all the way from this high, if price gives you entry confirmation and you have a good trade all the way to this low, you should be risk-free in this case. So this could be like your first TP, and your second TP goes all the way to the next zone. So these two levels looks very interesting. You need to keep your eyes on it, and let's watch out for what price is going to do at these two places. So you may break it down to the M15 to the M5, and you may find some very interesting points, some very interesting entry confirmations to use to pick your entry in this market. However, the most important thing to know is this is your entry level. This high, anywhere around or inside of this high, this zone, you can have your entry. So if price gives you entry confirmation, you are good to go. And this trade here looks very good. It's a very good trade because we are following what the trend is doing. The trend has been showing us a bullish trend. This is the high time frame, so this has been showing us a bullish trend confirmation. And when you have this kind of bullish trend confirmation, you should know that price is definitely setting up for possible correction. A possible correction is a very good trade to look out for. So let's watch out for this possible correction and see what is going to happen. So we have the 4-hour level, which lines perfectly with the daily key level. So at this place here, we have a very good possibility to get some shots. So watch out for this level here for your TP, and likewise you need to watch out for this level from the previous trend, right? So at any of those places, you have your very good TPs to catch, right? So here in this case here, you have about 150 pips, and to this level here, you have about 250 pips. So in this case, we have a very good risk to reward in this trade. So everything about this trade looks very good, and you just need to wait for the right entry confirmation, and then you are good to go, right? This is a very useful information on this trade, and I'm going to be dropping more informations like this, more breakdowns like this on a couple of trades in the market as well. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, you need to subscribe right now. You need to turn on the bell notifications so you can get notified for every single videos I post in this channel. So I'll be seeing you also in the next video. Peace.